Hey everyone, Zazu here. Welcome to the first video for the Beginner Java tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be downloading and installing the Java Development Kit, or the JDK for short. And the JDK essentially takes the code we write and translates it to ones and zeros so the computer can understand. And we'll be using the JDK for future videos to compile our code. So first we want to do is we want to go to a browser of choice and type install JDK. And we're going to go to download. Now I'll leave this link in the description below. Okay, so we're going to go to the JDK download, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to find our operating system. If you're a Mac user, you're going to be using the DMG installer. But since we're on Windows, we're going to be using the .exe installer. So we're going to go ahead and click this, accept the terms, hit download, and I'm going to save it on my downloads folder. Save, wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, it's done downloading. We're going to open up the folder, and we're going to run the file. Okay, hit yes. And a wizard should pop up. There we go. We're gonna hit next. So we're gonna install the JDK here. C program files /java/JDK. Hit next. And we're just gonna wait for it to finish installing. Okay. Now that the Java Development Kit is successfully installed, we hit close, and close this, and close this. Now to make sure it's installed properly, we're gonna click on our search bar, and we're gonna type command prompt. On Mac, it'll be terminal. So in the command prompt, what we want to type is Java C. And when we hit enter, if we get all this garbage, that means we installed the JDK correctly. In the next video, we're going to use the JDK to compile some Java code. And we're going to run our first Java program.